viewers, we are with Momodou Sabally, a member of NPP. Momodou Sabally, can you tell us today that Janjanbureh Mark 200 is? What is your take about the program?
I think it's a historic moment in our evolution as a nation, as a culture, as an ultra-national entity. Because if you talk of Janjanbureh, you talk of Central River Region, you talk of Nyani, which borders Janjanbureh, you're talking of an empire that spans the length of Gambia and Senegal. So coming here to celebrate the bicentenary of Janjanbureh or McCarthy, it's a highly significant milestone. And I must first congratulate His Excellency President Barrow for giving this the profile that it actually deserves, and to congratulate the natives of Makati Janjanbureh for keeping this gem of a historic relic for us intact. 200 years down the line, Makati still intact, socio-culturally still intact, environmentally. I think it's a great day. But I have to say this. One of the things I saw here and I heard here is President Barrow's highly inspiring and inclusive speech, that he gave instructions to the organizer that everybody should come on board, whether you were with government or opposition. And I saw opposition leaders here like the Honorable Mama Kande, and I saw former Vice President Aissatou Njie Sedi here. I can say I'm a deeply happy and highly proud Gambian today. And in fact, I've given myself honorary citizenship of Janjanbureh. I don't know whether my boy, Shamar Silla, who is actually a native, I don't know whether he'll approve it, but I've been definitely
So he will approve it. As we all know, Janjanbureh of being a home of history. So on your own take, do the present connect the past?
Well, yes, I think the president actually captured it very aptly in his speech when he spoke about Westerners coming here to use this as a trading spot, and then linking it very aptly with the current thrust of migration to the West, and giving advice, very tactful advice to young people to remain here and build a greater future for themselves and for country. If the West could come here to use Janjanbureh to build the West, partly because they came here for economic reasons, we can also, at some level, build this country. And I don't think there's a better place to make that speech than here. And the president also mentioned the call for reparations from the West, which I personally proudly support, unlike some African intellectuals who want to say that Africa, as African nation states, should take care of our own business. Yes, I said yes, that is true. But whatever is happening here in Janjanbureh, in the Gambia, in Senegal, in Nigeria, it has a color and an actually texture of the relics of colonialism who came, destroyed our socio-political structures, destroyed our economic structures, modeled our economies to become producers of primary products that can be sent to Europe for processing and export back to our country. Europe owes us and they must pay. And I'm very happy that President Barrow included that in this statement.
Okay, thank you, Momodou Sabally. So what could be your last advice or your last words to the youth in preserving the culture of Janjanbureh?
I think I want to call on Honorable Omar Jato Jame, who happens to be National Assembly member, who seems to be doing quite a great job with his team of young people. I attended a festival, I think it was a Kankurang festival they did here some time back, and I was really impressed at how the youth are embracing the culture of Kankurang here and other diverse cultures. I just want to encourage them to bring in some level of creative dynamism in terms of motion pictures, in terms of academic research. And I'm happy that as part of this celebration, they had a symposium where they had top-notch world-class intellectuals like Dr. Balasaho on the podium talking about issues that matter. I just want to encourage the young people of Janjanbureh to add a little bit dynamism and to continue the good work of trying to keep what's good and best of this beautiful and the best of islands.
Okay, Momodou Sabally, we are saying a very big thank you for those wonderful words. We really appreciate you.
Thank you, and thank you for keeping it short, because I'm here to party.